Hello everyone, today we are going to start 4th chapter of class 8th practical geometry. In this chapter we will learn how to construct a quadrilateral when the different conditions are given, and first one is when the length of 4 sides and the diagonals are given. So we construct any figure in certain step and we write these steps under the heading steps of construction. So first I will explain you how to construct these quadrilateral, and after that we will discuss about the steps of construction. We start our video with the first exercise of this chapter, exercise 4.1, and first question is construct the following quadrilaterals. And in this question there are 4 parts, and first part is quadrilateral ABCD and measurements are given in the question. So we have measurement of AB is 4.5 centimeter, measurement of BC is 5.5 centimeter, measurement of CD is 4 centimeter, measurement of AD is 6 centimeter, and measurement of AC is 7 centimeter. For construct actual diagram, we will draw a rough diagram for the quadrilateral ABCD. We roughly draw here a diagram of quadrilateral and we label it as ABCD. Then we write measurement of each of its side and diagonals here. So AB is 4.5 centimeter. So I am going to write 4.5 centimeter in the side AB. And we have BC is 5.5 centimeter. Then so we write 5.5 centimeter in the side BC, and similarly we write 4 centimeter in the side CD and 6 centimeter in the side AD. And we have 7 centimeter AC, it means diagonal of 7 centimeter. This rough figure will help us to draw actual diagram of quadrilateral, and we start our diagram with its diagonal. So first of all we make a line segment of measurement 7 centimeter. So here I draw a line segment AC of 7 centimeter. From the point A, I am going to draw an arc of 6 centimeter, and from the point C, I draw an arc of 4 centimeter. So you can see here that from the point A, I make an arc of 6 centimeter, and from the point C I make another arc of 4 centimeter, and the point at which these two arcs intersect each other, this point is known as point D. So this point is known as point D. In the same way we draw other two measurement from in the downward direction from A. First we draw from A an arc of 4.5 centimeter, and from C an arc of 5.5 centimeter. And where these two arcs are intersect each other, this point is known as point B. So in this way you can construct diagram a quadrilateral. First we draw diagonal AC of 7 centimeter. Then we place our tip of our compass at the point A and make an arc of 6 centimeter. In the same way we put tip of compass on the point C and make another arc of 4 centimeter. Point where these two arcs meet each other or intersect each other, this point is known as point D. Same process is apply for the downward direction. From the point, first we place our tip in the point A and make an arc of 4.5 centimeter. Then place tip of compass on the point C and make another arc of 5.5 centimeter. Where these two arcs intersect each other, this point is known as point B. And at the last we join A to D, C to D, C to B and A to B, and we have quadrilateral ABCD. Our next topic is step of construction. First step is draw line segment AC of 7 cm. Second step is from the point A make an arc of 6 cm and from the point B make another arc of 4 cm. These two arcs cut each other at the point D. Third step is again from point A and point C make arc of 4.5 cm and 5.5 cm respectively. These two arcs meet each other at the point B. Our next step is join AD, DC, AB and BC, and we have ABCD is the required quadrilateral. In this way you can solve remaining part of this exercise. Thank you.